Welcome to the wild world of animal intelligence. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most intelligent wild animals, showcasing their mind-blowing mental abilities. From incredible problem-solving to advanced communication and social skills, these animals constantly surprise researchers with their brain power. Imagine dolphins recognizing themselves in mirrors, elephants grieving their dead, or even crows solving puzzles with tools. These aren't just animals surviving in the wild. They're thinkers, innovators, and in some cases, strategists. Get ready to meet nature's brightest minds. Dolphins are often regarded as the intellectuals of the animal kingdom. They are masters of communication, using a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body language that allows them to exchange detailed information. This intricate language is still being decoded by scientists, but it's clear that dolphins use it for a variety of purposes, from coordinating hunts to bonding within their social groups. Their social structures are equally fascinating. Dolphins live in close-knit groups called pods, where they form strong social bonds, help one another in need, and even display signs of empathy. They have been seen assisting injured pod members and have even been known to protect humans from predators like sharks. Dolphins are also skilled problem solvers and tool users. Some dolphins, for example, use marine sponges to protect their snouts while foraging along the seafloor, one of the few documented cases of animals using tools in the wild. This shows a level of intelligence and adaptability that sets dolphins apart from most other species. Echolocation is another tool in their remarkable cognitive toolkit. By emitting sound waves and interpreting the returning echoes, dolphins can navigate through murky waters, detect prey, and avoid obstacles, even in complete darkness. This biological sonar is so refined that dolphins can distinguish between objects as small as a pebble and as large as a shark. Finally, dolphins demonstrate self-awareness, one of the rarest and most complex traits in the animal world. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait shared only by a select few animals like great apes and elephants. This recognition shows an understanding of their own existence, which suggests an advanced level of consciousness. Elephants are renowned for their exceptional intelligence, particularly in memory, empathy, and social complexity. Their ability to remember specific locations, even years later, is legendary. This powerful memory helps them survive in harsh environments, as they can recall distant water sources and food locations during droughts. But it's their emotional intelligence that truly sets them apart. Elephants form deep social bonds within their herds, often led by a matriarch who guides the group based on her extensive experience. These herds are tightly knit, with members working together to protect the young, care for the injured, and offer support to one another. Their communication is both vocal and non-vocal, utilizing infrasound, which can travel vast distances, allowing them to communicate across many kilometers. Their ability to cooperate in solving problems, like rescuing a calf from a ditch or working together to break barriers for food, shows their strategic thinking and adaptability. Perhaps the most remarkable trait of elephants is their empathy. Elephants are known to grieve for their dead, visiting the bones of lost herd members and showing signs of mourning, gently caressing the remains and standing vigil for hours. This behavior is not only rare in the animal kingdom, but highlights their deep emotional depth and understanding of life and death. Interesting fact, elephants don't just remember locations, they also remember individual faces. Whether it's a human or another elephant, their ability to recognize individuals over decades speaks to their advanced cognitive abilities and long-term memory. Crows are some of the most intelligent birds on Earth, often likened to primates for their problem-solving skills and tool use. Known for their strategic thinking, crows have been observed creating and using tools to retrieve food, a behavior rarely seen in the animal kingdom. They can bend wires into hooks to fish out objects from tight spaces or use sticks to extract insects from tree bark. Their ability to plan ahead and use tools sequentially, one tool to obtain another, demonstrates a level of cognitive function that is remarkable even among highly intelligent animals. Crows are also excellent at adapting to new environments and challenges. In urban areas, they have learned to use traffic lights to their advantage, dropping nuts on roads and waiting for cars to crack them open. This shows how they can quickly learn from their surroundings and apply creative solutions to everyday problems. In addition to their physical problem-solving, Crows possess a keen understanding of their social world. They can recognize and remember human faces, especially those who pose a threat or offer food. Once a person is labeled as a danger, crows can pass that information along to other members of their group, alerting others to potential risks. This kind of social intelligence is rare among animals, showing how crows communicate and share knowledge within their communities. Interesting fact: crows are puzzle solvers by nature. In experiments, they've been seen using multiple tools in succession to retrieve food from complex setups. This shows not only their ability to use tools, but also their capacity for logical, step-by-step problem solving. Chimpanzees, our closest genetic relatives, are known for their remarkable intelligence, particularly in learning, cooperation, and tool use. Sharing about 98% of our DNA, they exhibit problem-solving skills that rival some of the smartest animals in the world. Chimpanzees are expert tool users, crafting sticks to extract termites from mounds, using leaves as sponges to drink water, and even using stones to crack open nuts. In certain regions, they've been observed sharpening sticks for hunting, showcasing their ability to adapt and innovate based on their environment. These behaviors aren't random, but are passed down through generations, highlighting the cultural traditions unique to different chimpanzee communities. Chimpanzees also live in highly structured social groups, where they form alliances and engage in political maneuvering. These social dynamics require advanced communication skills, using vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to convey complex messages. Cooperation is key, especially during hunts. Chimpanzees plan group hunting strategies, often working together to corner and capture prey, demonstrating teamwork and forward thinking. One of the most fascinating aspects of chimpanzee intelligence is their capacity for learning. They teach young members of the group how to use tools and navigate their social environment, ensuring that knowledge is passed from one generation to the next. This transmission of learned behavior creates distinct cultures among different groups. Interesting fact: chimpanzees have their own form of culture. Different groups use unique methods for tool use and food gathering. This knowledge is not instinctual but learned and shared, illustrating their ability to teach and pass down skills across generations. Octopuses are some of the most skilled problem solvers in the animal kingdom, known for their incredible adaptability and intelligence. With their ability to manipulate objects using their flexible arms, each equipped with sensitive suction cups, they can solve puzzles, open containers, and escape from seemingly secure enclosures. Their cognitive abilities are so advanced that scientists have observed them unscrewing lids from jars to access food inside and using tools in the wild. One of the most remarkable features of octopuses is their capacity for learning and memory. They can solve complex mazes, remember solutions, and even distinguish between individual humans based on behavior and appearance. Their adaptability extends to camouflage as well. Octopuses can change their skin color and texture in an instant to blend into their surroundings, escaping predators or ambushing prey with surgical precision. Octopuses are also known for using objects in their environment creatively. In the wild, some octopuses have been seen collecting coconut shells and using them as portable shelters, demonstrating not only tool use but also foresight and planning. Their solitary nature doesn't stop them from showcasing an extraordinary level of problem-solving and strategic thinking, traits that have earned them a place among the smartest animals. Interesting fact: octopuses are escape artists. They've been known to slip out of enclosures through tiny gaps, open jars from the inside, and even solve problems that require using multiple steps. Their ability to use coconut shells as makeshift shelters is one of the clearest signs of their tool use and intelligence. From the oceans to the forests, these animals have demonstrated intelligence that rivals our own understanding of problem-solving, communication, and cooperation. Dolphins master complex social structures and language. Elephants possess deep memory and empathy. Crows solve intricate puzzles with tools. Chimpanzees show human-like cooperation and cultural learning, and octopuses display adaptability and ingenuity beyond expectation. These incredible creatures challenge our perceptions of intelligence, proving that advanced cognitive abilities aren't exclusive to humans. They remind us that animal minds are far more complex than we might think, capable of thought, emotion, and even culture. As we continue to study them, we deepen our understanding of the animal kingdom's rich diversity of intelligence. If you enjoyed this journey into the minds of nature's brightest creatures, don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. From more amazing wildlife stories to incredible animal behavior, there's so much more to discover. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.